Hey everybody, Barry here again. My buddy sent me something. Him and I have been talking about it for a little bit now, and we're finally getting somewhere. So I'm going to leave the surprises for the envelope.
A secret admirer with no return address. Just kidding, it's Crash Stanford.
This Crash Stanford.
Anyway, he sent me a thing, and I'm very excited about it. It's pretty thick.
All right, let's open this boy up.
Slow down for dramatic effect here. Oh, that's a big D. That's a nice D. Man.
Eddie, I have acquired the D. I've gotten a lot of things in the mail before.
But never the D.
Okay, only be a few more of those.
That is super cool. I was talking about having a set of emblems 3D printed for Desperado.
And I discussed maybe having somebody 3D print them or ordering a set online somewhere. And Eddie Stanford came in and he's like, if only we knew somebody with a 3D printer who was very skilled at it. I was like, you are! The guy made a set of tires for his off-road RC vehicle and they were like super sick. So if anybody's the man to do it.
It looks really cool. Like on the back you can see, the 3D print thing. But on the front here, that texture is so cool. I love how it looks. And it's solid so that I can use some epoxy or double-sided sticky tape or whatever to put that onto the truck.
So let's go out and look at the Escalade. I'm sure the font is different, sizing is a little bit different, whatever. But I kind of want to give Eddie free range on the font, the size, the style, and just kind of see what he comes up with. Whoa, I almost slipped. Because this is going to be a custom truck, like a custom bolt-on from other truck. But it's why not have a nice little touch on there that's not the same font that Cadillac used to make the Escalade badge. Also, super windy, super sorry.
So we can see here that this D is much bigger than that D. Wonder why. Anyway, it's the same font though. Look at that. And I think if it was like D-E-S-P-E-R-A-D-O, we're looking at not half the door, but be really, really cool. So I think I'll take some measurements and I'll measure this one. I'm sure Eddie still has the CAD file anyway. I'll take some measurements of these and see what he thinks. If he wants to make it a little bit smaller, squish it a little bit, skewer it a little bit, whatever. I'll give him range on that. See what we can come up with. See if I can afford to do this. I don't know how much this stuff costs, but yeah. As for the font itself, by the looks of the scaling, it's basically right on. So that's super cool. I love it.
So Eddie, thanks for giving me the D, and we'll talk about the rest of the letters later.
God, I hope I don't get demonetized for this.
So Eddie, we'll go over the measurements and the sizes and the fonts and all that stuff, and then we'll come up with a plan here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.